Ian Sawkins, Boatshed, Scotland. This really is nicely kept boat for its age. It really is. The owner has spent some considerable amount of time and money on it, which is reflected in the furnishings and especially on deck. So we've got the saloon. It's a picture of the saloon table up, and then you've got the other side, and we have the chart table, the instruments, a Lawrence and a Navman chart plotter. Aft there is a bunk here, stretches all the way back. There you can see storage at the side. So if we come round, swinging round, and then we move forward, and then we can see the floor. We've got hanging space here, and more in the forward cabin. Let's get a handle on that. I've made the bunk up to show it in its full made up state, and there's hatch above, good light in here, and then immediately before that on the port side is the head. Everything clean and tidy. Quite a lot of room actually.